Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and boy am I excited to share with you today my own personal T-Largo. This is actually a Founders Edition as we're calling it, and we're only making two of these. One for me and one for my business partner. It is specially badged Founders 1 of 2. But before we go on to the interior, let me share with you specifically what we did to this T-Largo edition to make it extra special and one that you've never seen before. Starting off with the T-Largo front lower apron. Carbon fiber, the upper and the lower pieces. As a matter of fact, the whole kit is actually made out of carbon fiber, but I chose to do something different. I decided to paint some of those pieces, body color gloss black, starting off with the front fender arches. Instead of them being carbon fiber, the way T-Largo comes, they're gloss shiny black, which matches the paint of my Model X. And then as we go along the side rocker panels, these are all carbon fiber, and I left that carbon. I think that's a really cool look. And then we move on to the rear fender arches, wheel arches as they're also called. Those are gloss black. And then the rear lower diffuser, very aggressive, very sporty. Of course, I had to leave all that carbon fiber. I think it looks really cool. Finished off with the wing. The wing of the Model X now is carbon fiber as well. So that's one part of the T-Largo program. And as you know, this is a limited edition program of only 20 units for the United States, and each one is numbered. Also part of the T-Largo program is our limited edition 22-inch 20-spoke wheels. And you could have those finished any color you want. I chose gloss black. I really like this monochromatic gloss black on gloss black look, which is why I decided to go ahead and do my chrome delete. All the chrome trim, side markers, side mirrors, it's all gloss black, and I painted it this time. We did not use the 3M gloss black film. We painted it, body color, very clean, very crisp, and definitely, I think you'll agree, very aggressive. I absolutely love the look of my Model X. Now, I want to move on to the interior and show you what I did over there. Welcome to the interior of my Model X T-Largo Founders Edition 1 of 2. When I ordered my P100D from Tesla, I chose the really cool white interior that they offer. And I think it works great, so I've decided to keep it. But what I don't like is the dash decor and some of the other areas that are missing some attention to detail. And at T-Sportline, we're all about detail. So I love carbon fiber. T-Largo is all about carbon fiber. So what I did is I went ahead and replaced the complete dash decor from the wood that it came with from Tesla with our gloss carbon fiber interior kit. So the complete dash, door trims, center console sliding tray, the little flip door, which is normally plastic, we made it gloss carbon fiber, and then the seat backs. All 6 seat backs, instead of being plastic wrapped vinyl, they're now gloss carbon fiber. And that's a really cool accessory that we offer. As a matter of fact, all these interior accessories have nothing to do with T-Largo. You could add them to any Tesla Model X. So these are additional accessories, but I think it really completes the interior. And let's not forget about the steering wheel. I call it the selfish accessory because it's all about the driver. The top curved area, the bottom curved area, gloss carbon fiber, and then we reupholstered the sides, the 3 o'clock and the 9 o'clock position, in white leather and dyed the airbag cover as well to white. So it looks really custom, really cool. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.